Guys, I'm back with another mini. So I have a package here from MelodySusie, and so they sent me over their new Qcoat nail strips. So we're going to get into this packaging, and thank you to MelodySusie for sending me these items to feature in a video. And so these are their new fully cured gel nail polish strips. And so they sent me over two plain colors, so one's black, one's pink, and then they sent me over two sets that have designs on them. And the thing with the designs on the strips are flat designs, so they don't stick up from the nail. And so in the packaging also came some nail stickers. And so off to the side here, they have a large variety of different patterns and colors on their site, and I'm just showing you that in the screen recording on over to the right. And so with the stickers, you can put these on top of the gel strips after you apply them to the nail. And so these were like some lilac or lavender butterflies and flowers. And then also it came with, this is like a plaid or houndstooth, plaid type pattern. And then some more flowers. And I think I end up using those flowers that I just showed. And we also have some nail stickers that are snowflakes. Hearts, which I like those would look nice on top of the pink strips that they sent. And then we have some snowflakes as well, and then the other one are red butterflies. So I'm just showing you on the site it says they can last up to 14 days, and I saw another place on the site that says 21 days. So we're going to go ahead and get into this set. And so on my right hand, I don't have anything. I have some Essie nail polish on there, and so I'm just going to remove that from the nails, and we're going to go ahead and get into the nail prep. And so I'm going to remove that polish with acetone from my nails, and then I'm going to go in and do some nail prep. So I decided to use the black gel nail stickers from the kit, and so I'm opening or from the package, sorry. And so I'm gonna open that up. They are sealed, and it comes with a nail file, an orange wood stick, and an alcohol, 2 alcohol pads. And so I was going to use this orange wood stick to push my cuticles back, but it's split, and I didn't want to risk getting a splinter, and I was like, so I went in with my glass cuticle pusher. Any cuticle pusher will do, and I'm just gently pushing back my cuticles. It looks rough because the video is sped up, and so I push them back, and then I go in with the pointy end just to remove any dead cuticle from that area. And so you do want to do that because you want these to last. I'm doing a wear test, and so today is actually Tuesday, October 15th. I did this video, I believe, on Saturday or Sunday. This past Saturday or Sunday. So I'm trying to see how long these are going to last on my nails, because nothing for me lasts, because I have thin nails. Nothing lasts on my nails, period, outside of some thick old builder gel and rubber base coat. And so after I get all the nails pushed back and clean up any excess cuticle from my nail plate, I am then going to brush off all of that debris from the nail, and then the instructions state to wipe your nails down with alcohol and let your nails dry. And I don't know why I'm tripping. You're supposed to rough up the surface of your nail. Just remove the shine from your nails. And so that's what I'm doing gently. Again, it's sped up so it looks more aggressive. I promise you that it's not. And so I'm just going in with the file that came from the kit and just roughing up the surface. And then I have a pumice stone because I have a tendency to have lifting in the corners of my nails. And so I'm just going in with this pumice stone just to clean that the corners of my nails up a little bit more. This is my prep. This is what I do. This is what I know works best for me. And so I'm just going in and lightly removing the shine from the nail. Again, it looks aggressive, but I promise you it's not. And then I'm going to remove the nail dust and clean my nails off with the alcohol pad that came in the kit. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this packaging. There is a little slit in there, but it was just easier to cut the top of the package off. It was just easier. Like the slit, it wasn't giving enough for me, so I just went ahead and just cut the top of that off. And so with the strips themselves, they are wide. So if you have wide nail beds, they work. I thought, you know, my pinky was a little bit smaller than that. I end up choosing like the wrong size for my pinky, and so each strip on the package has a little plastic covering over it, so you just want to rip that off and peel that off of the paper and apply that to your nail. And here's where I realized, like, this is not the right size. What you doing, Tish? This is not the right size. And so I was like, I thought they stretched a little bit, but they didn't give enough stretch for me. They did not give enough stretch, but that's because I had the wrong size. I don't know how much stretching I was trying to do with the wrong size nail strip, let's be clear. And I used to use nail polish strips all the time, and these are gel polish strips. Again, they do not require curing in a lamp. So a lot of the gel polish strips now from different companies, you have to cure in a lamp. These you do not. So I finally got the right size for my pinky off camera, and so I'm just going in and doing the other nails, just getting those applied. Real easy to do. You don't have to make sure that you don't get these near on the skin or the cuticle area, because that's going to decrease their longevity. And I can see me using these if I have somewhere to go and I ain't got time to be curing in no lamp. Just pop these bad boys on and be on your way. Be on your way. I actually went on Amazon and purchased some a set of red, because I'm gonna use those coming up. I have a weekend trip and I just want to pop something on my nails without having to wait on dry time or curing time. And so I get out of frame just a little bit, sorry y'all. And so I'm just gonna apply that to the nail. Some of these I had to go back in and fix the sizing. And once you apply it on the nail, you just wanna rub that in really good so that you get a good adhesion to your nail. Now what I did not find is how you remove these bad boys. Since they're gel polish strips, I'm assuming that you would have to soak them in acetone to remove. So I'll be doing a video on how I remove that, because I couldn't find any instructions. And so once I get all of those done, I do my thumbnail off camera. This was a bad idea to use the cuticle pusher, because it did kind of scratch the surface of the decals. And so I just decided to use the silicone, the end of my silicone tool, just to rub that in and get good adhesion on the nail. And so once I do that, I then go in and cut off excess. So you want to cut off excess from the free edge of your nail. And here's where I'm pulling that pinky off, because I was like, this is not it. And it pulled off easy. Again, it had not fully sealed. And so I'm just peeling that off the nail, getting another size. And so you have enough in here to do both hands, of course. You're only going to get one set out of these. But for $7.99, you cannot beat the price. You cannot beat the price for $7.99. And so I finally got the right size for my pinky. And once I get that sealed on the nail using the silicone end of my nail art tweezers there, I then go in with some nail scissors and cut off the excess that's hanging off of the free edge of the nail. And when you cut, you want to cut as close to the free edge as possible. That means you'll have less filing to do, because you want to get the excess off so that, you know, you have a more cohesive manicure, let's just say it that way. And my nails are short, they're really short, so they work well on short nails. I'm assuming you can put these on top of fake nails as well. They probably would last even longer on top of fake nails. And so I'm going in with the nail file, and I'm filing in a downward motion just to break the seal of that nail strip. So I'm just trying to break the seal so that I can tear off the excess. And so yes, the instructions say file downward, but I had to get a different file. This file that came in the kit didn't work as well as I wanted it to, and I had a 180 grit file that was bigger. It just worked better. You can see the seal broken. I'm just tearing that away. Now they look a little crazy right now, because you're like, oh, look at that dust on there. I promise you, it's just from the nail file itself. They were fine. And so I brush off excess, and I'm just smoothing out anything that's hanging on the free edge of the nail. because you don't want anything hanging off, and it's just going to make the look kind of crazy. And so I'm just going in, and I don't show all nails on camera, and so I'm just going in and removing excess from the other nails, and then I will do that filing and doing that off camera. So again, I'm just repeating that on the middle finger, trying to break that seal, and they tear way easy. I had little pieces everywhere. And so, and this took, maybe because of trial and error, about 20 minutes for that one hand, and that's just because it was my first time using these, but it doesn't take long at all. And so here coming up are all of the nails filed, that excess removed. Thought they were cute, nice and shiny. Y'all see the shine on them. Again, these do not require curing, but I am going to cure these at some point. Let me be clear. And so I did like the black. I thought it was good for Halloween, even though these are not Halloween nails. And so I decided to go in with these daisies, or what looks like daisy nail stickers, because you can apply nail stickers on top of these rhinestones if you wish. And so I'm just applying that to the nails. I only applied nail stickers to 3 nails: my thumbnail, my index finger, and my pinky. And so since I am using nail stickers, we have to seal the stickers. If you don't seal the stickers with something, they're going to come off of the nail. And so I just trimmed excess off of the free edge. And once I apply the stickers to the nails that I want the stickers on, I'm going to apply gel top coat. So I have my mini glove on here, and I'm going in with MelodySusie's top coat, and I'm going to apply a layer of that to all nails, making sure I cap the free edge. Again, you don't need a gel top coat, but I would, if you want these to last, I think applying a gel top coat on these would be sufficient. I don't know how they would wear without a gel top coat. Again, I did it because I use stickers. And again, you can see the shine on the strips without even putting top coat on there. And so once I get all of the nails cured, and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds, I'm going to apply some cuticle oil and massage that in. So here is the finished look. Nails nice and shiny. Yay for the nubbies. So please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It's free 99. So thank you to MelodySusie for sending me these Qcoat fully cured gel nail strips. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.